Got the box off it and the bumper off of it. You see how much work those cab corners need now. So that's the good one. The other one needs even more. Yeah, leaky little shoulder trying to work on it in. Water running over the light switch. That's pretty, isn't it? The bumper's just laying on the frame there right now. Plastic tag on the gas fill hose. That makes the cab corner there. Yeah, get the running boards off it too. I think I'll leave them off. It looks better without them. I think I'll leave them off. There. Didn't get a chance to put those pieces in the red cradle yet because it's raining. Try to do them tomorrow, hopefully. See, it's a lovely looking day out there. Wet and rainy, not good weather for working on this thing. Trying to avoid the drips here. A little bit of water on the camera. Another spot that needs work there. Somehow my antenna got bent, gotta figure that out. Dead skidder over there.